Alright guys, so in my last video I taught you guys how to create 3D rotating animation. So I promised to make a different tutorial on how to get the phone frames, both the front and the back phone frames. You get my point? So that is what I'm about to show you guys right now. So if you did not watch that video, you can click on the link in the description, or you are going to see it at the end screen of this particular video, so you can go ahead and watch the video, so you can come back and watch this one to know how to get the phone frames. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. Alright, so go to your Chrome browser and type mockhuphone.com, mockhuphone.com. You get my point? Then click on search. So you click on all devices. So at this point you can see different phones here, like this is iPhones, or if you don't want to use iPhone, you can use another brand by clicking on this all brand button. So we have Motorola, we have Google, we have Samsung, Microsoft, OnePlus, Nokia, and so on. So you can just click on Apple like this, then you see different kinds of phone frames, and these are the front phone frames. Understand? You get my point? All of these are front frames. So you can select anyone here. To get anyone, you have to, for example, this iPhone 15 Plus, just tap on it. You get my point? Now tap and hold it. You will get this option that says download image. So from here you can download this image. Just click on download it to be downloaded direct to your gallery. You get my point? So now let's go over to how to get the back frame of this same iPhone 15 Plus. Please take note. Make sure you do not forget the brand, the model you are downloading from this particular website. You get my point? So that is just it. Alright, so to get the back frame of that iPhone 15 Plus, you get my point? So just go to your Chrome browser and type GSM Arena, just like this. Then you search. So when you search, you click on the first one, gsmarena.com. Just tap on it. You get my point? So what you will do here is you just tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Now you will search for iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Plus. So you search. So when you search, what you need to do is to come here, just scroll down here, you will see different types of phones here. You get my point? So that is okay. So the next thing for you to do right here is to look at the phone here. So you tap on the phone. Once you tap on the phone, you just scroll down, you click on pictures. See pictures right here. Click on pictures. So at this point you'll be able to see different pictures of the iPhone 15 Plus. So this particular one right here is the one we want. Make sure it gives you the back view, then you make a screenshot. Now tap on the screenshot and crop it just like this. So when this is done, you can now save it. You get my point? Now it is saved to your gallery. So the next thing you will do, so on your Chrome browser, you just open this search button and type Adobe express background remover. So just type like that, you get my point. So from here you could click on this first one here. So this is how it is, you get my point. So what you're gonna do here is to tap to upload an image, just like what you see here on screen. So you tap on it, it will take it to your gallery. Then you are going to bring the image you just cropped and click done. So you will give it some time for it to remove the background, and the good part of it is that it will give you a transparent background that you can use it without going to remove background again when you are using it on Alight Motion. You get my point. So it's uploading your file and it is free. You get my point. It will still maintain that same quality. You get my point. So look at it here. So this is just it. So the next thing for you to do is to download it.